throwing that whopper plopper first? No fair. We came to crappie fish. You're gonna catch a 3-pound bass. Good morning, guys. I got a trim. We're out fishing with the Leans Outdoor Fishing. You guys should definitely check them out if you haven't already. We're not gonna do a long, drawn out intro today. We're just gonna go catch more fish than Deline. Let's go. Yeah, he catches sticks. Over there. Uh-oh, shoot. Whew. Yep. There we go. Come here, you. Oh, gosh. Goodness gracious. God, dude. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, come here. Hey, buddy. How's it going with all 6 cooks in you? Look at that. Now that is going to be quite a meal. You got a bucket for these guys?
Yeah, the kitty litter. But I think this jerkbait would be more for clearer water. Alright, there's a brush hog. There's something right there.
Okay. Well, that was fun. Oh! Jeez, dude! Goodness gracious, man. Calm down, buddy. Gosh. Man, white bass are fun. Dude, you calm down, bud. Calm down. Another one in the bucket.
I've been wanting to throw this so long.
Wow,
how did I manage that?
what is that?
I don't know.
Like, I know it's a lipless, but...
My coworker bought me a mystery.
Oh!
They're right there.
Jeez Louise, man. About takes the rod out of my hand, too.
I might have got that hook shot.
Dude, he's digging. Dude, calm down, man. I can't horse him. It's a 6-pound line. Dude, this Clamber Hyper Micro, along with this Kuying Teton, is just one of the most... Oh, he spit up a shad. Is one of the most fun combos I've ever owned. Welcome back to Deline's Outdoor Fishing, where Tim is the only one on the boat who catches fish.
Good thing was that on the boat.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, but now you got the bank and the boat that you need to watch out for. No, it's fine. You can just cast right where I was casting. I want you to catch fish too, buddy. There we go. Fish number 3. Let's see if I can get this cast just a little bit farther.
I want to reel this in slow, but I know I'll catch this snag.
There you go.
So this is a...
That's about as far as that's
what
going.
is with me and sticks?
You were just having all the luck. And we're on. Oh.
Literally right there. Is it a color thing?
Can't go wrong with chartreuse.
Well, I mean, I figured this
Oh. Are you worth filleting? You're a little smaller.
We'll get a limit and then we'll pull out.
All right. Ooh, my line's all chewed up. I need to retie. Fish number 4. Nah.
Couldn't even do it.
He's not worth the effort, man. He's too small. Let him go get bigger. We'll catch him next year. Hoop. Hoop.
Ooh, my line's all chewed up. I need to retire.
Where'd it land? Bye, buddy.
That was the juice. Holy crap.
Yep. I think this reel's toast. That's depressing.
I would say at least you caught fish, but man, that. I think I'd rather not catch fish than do that.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh well.
Well,
C'est la vie.
I'm gonna change.
Due to a series of unfortunate events, the banger is no longer with us. So we're gonna throw this tiny little jerkbait. I didn't realize how shallow it was right here. Gee, I sure wish I had my micro banger.
Well, Tim, did we learn something today?
Nope. Sure didn't. Oh! Learn I'm always gonna catch more fish than you.
16, 17 years old. Man, that thing is gunning for it.
Jeez, dude. God, calm down, bud.
How big do you think that one is?
Biggest of the day. That or he's just got more fight than everybody else.
No, that's legal limit.
Oh, he's not 17. Oh!
Oh!
Bye, buddy. Dang. Well, we're mashing the hatch.
Yeah.
Gosh darn it. That's what I get for playing him out. Should've just horsed him in.
Yeah, should have boat flipped it.
I should on my 6-pound line that I've already snapped off
Oh,
with today.
cool.